Hey traders, welcome to this week's market recap. I'm Analyst Leko. Let's take a quick look on how the market moved and what it means going forward. So, the first pair that we have for today is USD JPY. USD JPY on the 4-hour time frame. During the beginning of the week, we're at this point. So we're waiting for the markets to give us a retracement into our area of interest, which is the weekly and the daily area of interest for us to take the market sales to the downside. And that's what we did exactly. We had our entry signal, which was the engulfing candle. And as you can see here, the market gave a very bullish spike. This was due to Trump's announcement of the 90-day pause on tariffs. And this provided us with another opportunity to take a trade. This trade, I got my entry signal on the 2-hour time frame, as you can see, which is the engulfing candle. Then we take to the trade for a 1 to 4 risk to reward. Initially, my overall target was this point, which is the daily time frame structure point. This was my overall target, but due to how volatile the market has been lately, I decided to just take what was good. I mean, a 1 to 4 and a 1 to 3.6 is a good risk to reward. The next pair we're looking at is Euro USD. On Euro USD, we took a loss earlier this week, but basically on Euro USD, what we're waiting for was for the market to come into this level, give us a retest, this level, which is our weekly and our daily area of interest, but also our psychological level and a very, very strong support and resistance level. As you can see, the market has tested this level multiple times. If we look to the left, we'll see more touches. So what we were waiting for was for the market to come into this level and then give us our entry signal. This losing trade was taken on the 2-hour time frame. As you can see, we had our engulfing candle, which was our entry signal, but unfortunately the market went up a bit but reversed. And this pair, I didn't stop looking at it because we were still at our area of interest. As you can see, the market broke below it, came back above the area of interest, came back below. Then I looked for my entry signal at this point, which was the engulfing candle on the 4-hour time frame here, to take the trade to the upside for a 1 to 2.6 risk to reward. My original target for this trade was this point, the previous market daily structure point, as you can see here, which would have given me a very, very beautiful 1 to 4 risk to reward ratio. The next pair that we're having is AUD USD. On AUD USD, we were expecting the market to give us a retracement into this our area of interest, which is the weekly and the daily, and also our psychological level, to then give us a sell signal to the downside. But unfortunately, as you can see, the market got to our area of interest and the market kept pushing up. So what I'll be looking out for this pair now is, let me go down to the lower time frame, is something like this, basically, for the market to give us the break under our area of interest, closing under all these previous market structure points, giving us a retest to take the trade to the downside, at the same time also forming a head and shoulder pattern for this pair to take the trade to the downside. So that's what I'll be looking out for AUD USD. The next pair that we have is AUD NZD. For AUD NZD, the same thing, we're waiting for the markets to give us a retracement into our area of interest, which is the daily and the weekly, and also our psychological level, for us to take the trade to the downside. But unfortunately, this was the analysis was on point, but we never got our entry signal, so there was no trade for this pair. The next pair we're looking at is Euro GBP. On Euro GBP, we're expecting the market to give us a retracement into this our area of interest here, then give us our entry signal to take the trade to the upside. But as you can see, we never got that. The market kept pushing. So there was no execution of any kind of trade on this pair. So basically, we had a good week. The week was very volatile. We had so much news coming out from Trump, which made the market seem like a very, very foreign place. But at the end of the day, if you stick to your rules, stick to your trading plan, I guarantee you, and doing proper risk management, I guarantee you, you would be profitable. I plan on dropping videos like this on a weekly basis, guys, at the end of a trading week, and I'll also be doing a weekly market forecast, which I'll also be dropping here on my YouTube channel for you guys to be able to follow me, to see the pairs that I'm looking out for the week, and to see if the trade plays out, if we get any setups to catch. And I also drop trade updates, like during the week. I drop trade updates. I drop when I enter, during the trade, and after the trade. So it's a very, very transparent environment. I also provide educational information, on psychology, risk management, and general news on what's happening in the forex market. So without saying too much, please guys, subscribe, like, and comment. It would go a long way. This is my first video, and hopefully it works out and you get to see me more often here, bringing you good forex content. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next video, which is our weekly market forecast. And I'll be linking my Telegram in the description below, my Telegram and my Twitter. I drop updates there too. So go check it out. Follow me. Join the community. Let's grow together.